DDB is a global communications and advertising agency with more than 60 years of experience in helping blue chip companies relate better to their target audience and clients and deliver better value proposition by communication. Nowadays, communications and advertising is not just beautiful spots on TV. Actually, we merge creativity and technology and strategy and enter into the field of customer experience. And at this point is where we met with Accent.
We think that nowadays everything is going to be connected. It's important because this is reshaping and transforming their business and how they have to be focused in the future for their business.
We were developing a project for improving the experience of client for our Volkswagen account. It's a smart key holder with embedded functionalities that allow you to find your keys, to find your telephone, to take a selfie. We identified as a potential technology that could be of use was Bluetooth technology, and we scanned the market for renowned companies with reputation, able not just to deliver a technologically brilliant solution, but a solution that fits into a more creative, more communications-oriented strategy. We searched for somebody with whom we could work really close and with excellent reputation for the quality. And that's the way we came to Accent Systems.
They have a deep knowledge of the technology, they have a lot to develop the product, and we work together in all the steps of the product design.
Accent is not a standard technological company. We take for granted the technological expertise and the mastery of technology. But apart from this, what really makes the difference is the willingness to do whatever is necessary so that the project becomes a reality.